Hi, this is a one-take bicycle review of the Pinnacle Lithium 1. Okay, so what do you get? So it's basically a hybrid cross commuter bike. It's in black. It's a good looking bike, I think. Right, so let's start off. Let's go into it. So the frame set. So the frame is aluminium. It's a hardtail. There is a mount for a rear disc brake included in the frame. And you've got high tensile steel front forks. You've got a really substantial headset. Let's have a look at the welds. The welds are pretty good, I think. They look quite tidy. Let's look at the key areas. This one's a bit messy. This one's a bit messy, so we'll have to mark it down a bit for that. Is it straight? So the wheel is slightly off centre. I don't know if you can see that. So build wise, maybe not as good as it could be. But yeah, you're getting an aluminium frame, and you're getting steel forks, and you're getting two water bottle mounts, a mudguard mount. You're getting internally rotated cables. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, components. What do you get? So you get alloy handlebars, alloy stem, a headset stem system. You've got Shimano 7-speed trigger shifters. You've got, I don't know what make they are. I think they're just no name Vee brakes. Just going to check, see if there's any clues on here. No, okay. So the wheels are alloy. You're getting VTEC or V tyre, sorry, tyres, and they are sort of a hybrid cross. I really like these, I have to say. You're getting a Tourney rear mech and a Tourney front mech. I don't think the cranks are Shimano, but I could be wrong. I'm just trying to see. I don't think they're Shimano. I think they might be Sun, something like that. I'm getting 7-speed cassette with a mega range. Freewheel, and you're getting a steel seat post. Is it steel? No, sorry, alloy seat post clamp, and a relatively basic saddle. So the components, they're not bad. It could be a lot worse. A lot worse. Build wise, yeah, I think it's built pretty well. These come from Sports Direct and Evans, which they're now the same company really. They tend to be built up, but I mean the wheels look good, everything looks tight. You don't get quick release wheels, which perhaps, do you know what, perhaps that ain't the end of the world, because if you're using this to bike into town and going to lock it up all day, you don't want someone making off with your wheels. Yeah, I think it's good. So these recommended retail price on these is $299. Isn't that good value for money? Today's market, aluminium frame, 700C wheels, hybrid tyres, 21 gears, Shimano, predominantly Shimano products. Yeah, I think it is good value. I think it is good value. This is direct competition with the bike that we reviewed the other day, the Land Rover, and yeah. And the look, what do we think of the look? I think it looks amazing actually, but then black bikes genuinely do look really good. I think you could do a lot worse. First thing I would upgrade would probably be, do you know, I don't think I would. I think I'd just leave it and ride it and ride it and ride it. You get steel pedals as well, which I didn't mention. It's nice, it's really nice. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch some of our other one take bike reviews. This one is the Pinnacle Lithium. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.